look at the time. It's AM, PM. To tell you that. We had to wake up early to go to the airport today. Today we're going to California. And we have 2 bags ready. As you can hear, I'm really tired. And I'm gonna continue this, so the video can keep going. So I'll do a little bit more later. See you later.
¿Dejaste las llaves en el garage?
No sé.
Estabas acá abajo, Manuel.
No quieres hacer
Las
nada.
que siempre dejas, ¿dónde las dejas?
Yo no las agarré, no sé si estén ahí o no sé.
Fíjate.
¿Eh?
Finally passed. Or we might go to another place. But I guess now we have to wait. Oh, I'll see you in the airplane. What? Yep, that's me in the airplane.
Lo más cerca que se pueda para llevar a ciudad. Mira, está bien grande. Eri, ella se ve bien chiquita.
Oh my god, it's so huge. Can't you believe it, guys? Oh, I'll just be right back. Yeah. We are here, and I guess I'll just make another video tomorrow, probably a vlog. So yeah, guys, I made it.